Hello, Fleur de Sel means flower of the salt. We produce high-quality gourmet sea salt from the Pacific Ocean. Fleur de Sel sea salt has many health benefits for you and your family.
I have high blood pressure and Fleur de Sel sea salt allows me to have salt on my food again.
Our type of sea salt is known as the cream of the salt and harvested by hand. Our sea salt is organic and hand-harvested directly from the Pacific Ocean. Our products are packaged in 1-pound seal-label packaging.
My daily muscle cramps and joint pain have gone down since using Fleur de Sel sea salt.
Our sea salt is FDA and kosher approved. It also brings out the flavor of your favorite food. Eat healthy now with our organic sea salt and get a 30% discount at the Amazon store by going to the link below.